Have you ever wondered what it feels like to fly a drone? To soar high above the rooftops, to capture stunning views that were once only accessible to birds? Welcome to the world of drone flying, an exhilarating hobby that is quickly becoming a passion for many. Now you might be thinking, why drones? Well, there's something undeniably exciting about piloting your own aircraft. The thrill of takeoff, the joy of navigating through the sky, the rush of landing back on solid ground. It's like being a kid again, playing with the coolest toy imaginable. But the joy of flying drones goes beyond the simple pleasure of play. There's a sense of freedom that comes with exploring the world from a bird's eye view. You can travel to places you've never been, see things you've never seen, all from the comfort of your own backyard. And let's not forget about the creative opportunities that drones provide. For photographers and filmmakers, drones have opened up a whole new world of possibilities. They allow you to capture images and footage that were once impossible to achieve. Whether you're creating sweeping landscape shots, dramatic action sequences, or just documenting your everyday adventures, drones offer a unique perspective that can truly elevate your work. Moreover, flying drones is not just about the thrill and creativity. It's also an excellent way to learn and develop new skills. It challenges your coordination, your judgment, your problem-solving abilities. Every flight is a learning experience, an opportunity to grow and improve. To sum it up, flying drones is a hobby that offers a unique blend of excitement, freedom, creativity, and learning. It's a chance to see the world from a new perspective, to challenge yourself, and to create something truly remarkable. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or just someone looking for a new adventure, there's no denying the joy that comes with piloting your own aircraft. So next time you see a drone zipping through the sky, remember the joy and excitement that comes with flying. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one behind the controls, exploring the world from above and experiencing the thrill of flight for yourself.